Hello folks, this is Johnny again. Now that the mixing contest is over, I've been kind of thinking and I would like to continue making mix critiquing videos because I very much enjoyed that teaching part of making these videos because that's kind of my job. I'm a guitar teacher. And for all those who got salty with me in the winner announcement video, teaching people and giving them constructive criticism is not the same as being arrogant. Okay? Please learn that distinction and learn how to take constructive criticism and learn how to lose like a man. So, if you want to submit a mix for a critiquing video, then please send it to johnnymixcrit@gmail.com. Whether it's a streaming link or a download link, it's all fine this time around. Because this is not the contest, I don't expect as many mixes coming my way as in the contest. If you send me a download link, then please make it MP3 320 kilobits per second. Okay, that's plenty good enough to evaluate a mix. And if you use Dropbox, then please don't share the folder or the file with this email address. Go to the Dropbox website and send me the download link or a streaming link to that file directly. Although, if you're using Dropbox, don't send me a streaming link, rather the download link. Because at times during the contest, I did feel like there was some weird file compression going on with the Dropbox player. Same goes for Google Drive. Feel free to use it, but send me the download link in that case and not a streaming link. Although, wait, no, I think with Google Drive actually it's the same link. Yeah, but whatever. So, just so you know, download is fine now too. Just make it MP3 in that case. I don't want to have to download a big WAV file that's just wasting 2 minutes of time, in which I can do nothing. And I can easily get a bit impatient when I have to deal with unnecessary stuff like this. So, but that's just my take. Hey, I'm just human too, okay? Nobody's perfect, give me a break. Okay, I will be looking forward to your mixes. I hope this will go somewhere, but we shall see how it goes. Then I wish you a great day and we shall see each other next time with something around those lines.